Hello everyone. Today we're exploring the versatile folding camping table with storage compartment, a must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or home organizer. This lightweight aluminum table is perfect for camping, picnicking, and indoor or outdoor parties, offering a sturdy surface with a maximum weight capacity of 66 pounds. With its easy setup and fold-down design, you can quickly adjust the height to suit a variety of tasks, from dining and cooking to gaming and reading. The table features two spacious lockers to keep your food and cookware clean and organized, and the detachable storage bags make portability a breeze. Constructed from high-quality density board and aluminum, the table's triangular structure ensures stability and durability, while the anti-deformation wrap extends its lifespan. Measuring 47.24 by 18.5 inches when open and compactly folding down to just 23.62 by 18.5 inches, this table is easy to transport with its convenient handle. Whether you're car camping, hosting a backyard barbecue, or setting up a homeschool station, this adjustable table is your go-to solution for any occasion. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.